Paint defects, both big and small, are common following the refinish process. This video will go over the steps to remove these defects. As always, proper safety equipment should be utilized. Whether the defect is a run, dirt, or orange peel, it most likely can be removed. After identifying the defect, choose the best grit for that type of defect. It is always best to start with the least aggressive grit and move to a coarser grit if necessary. Place a light mist of water on the surface of the foam disc prior to sanding. With the proper grit selected, the defect removal process can begin. Be sure to finish with Norton Q175 Pure Ice Film Discs at P1500 grit prior to using Norton Norgrip Ice Foam Discs. Following initial defect removal, it is recommended to use a Norton Norgrip Ice Foam P2000 grit 6-inch disc to remove the sand scratches created by the more aggressive grit and enhance the polishing process. Once the defect is completely removed, blow the surface clean with dry air in preparation for buffing.